In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho CRM for digital marketing agency. First, open Zoho CRM in your browser. Once you're in, you'll see the top navigation bar with modules that organize your work. For an agency, the CRM becomes the central place to track prospects, clients, deals, and day-to-day follow-ups. Let's begin with the sales area. In Zoho CRM, most agency revenue is managed in deals within the pipeline. Think of deals as opportunities from inquiries to signed retainers. The pipeline stages map to your sales process: new inquiry, qualification, proposal sent, negotiation, won or lost. In the Sales tab, you can switch to a Kanban view to drag a deal through stages, or use a list view for bulk updates. Open a deal to see related contact, account, and activities. Fill in the deal name, expected value, close date, and the service interested in. To forecast cash flow, use notes to capture context like channel source or campaign. You can associate products or services if you price by package. If your agency runs multiple services, add a stage probability so your forecasts become more realistic. Filters help you focus on active deals or high-value prospects. Next, move to activities. This is your day-to-day command center. Activities include tasks, calls, and meetings, all tied back to leads, contacts, and deals. Create tasks for follow-ups such as proposal reviews or onboarding checklists, and set due dates and reminders so nothing slips. Log calls right after they happen with quick notes and outcomes. This builds a timeline your team can trust. For scheduled pitches or kickoff meetings, add events and invite stakeholders so the calendar stays aligned. Use the Today view to see what's due now, and the Calendar view to plan the week. Color codes and filters let you prioritize by owner or type, which is especially helpful when multiple team members touch the same account. When you complete an activity, mark it done instead of deleting it to preserve a clean history. As you work between sales and activities, remember that the goal is continuity. Every deal should have next steps in activities, and every activity should point back to a deal or contact in sales. That closed loop not only prevents missed follow-ups, it makes your pipeline and forecast more accurate. Keep the information concise, consistent, and up to date, and you'll turn inquiries into revenue with fewer surprises.